R6DS is a receiver with 10 channels. Now I'm going to show you how to do the binding and how to change signal output. Let's take 89S as an example. Power on the transmitter. Check if the green LED is always on. If yes, then we can process the binding directly. If the green one is not on, enter parameter and turn on the RF mode. Then the LED will be always on and the transmitter is ready to bind. Power on the receiver. Then we can see that the LED indicator is always on. Long press the binding button until the LED indicator flashes quickly, meaning binding process is ongoing, and release the button. So let's now press the button. When the LED stops flashing and is always on, we can see that a signal tower shown on top of the screen of the transmitter. Binding is complete. There are totally 3 signal outputs for R6DS: PWM, S.BUS, and PWM. We can see that the current LED color is blue and purple, meaning its current signal output is PWM and S.BUS. We can see from the sticker pasted on the receiver. If it's the PWM signal you need, channel 1 should be connected, while if the S.BUS signal needed, channel 2 should be connected. If we want to change the signal output as PWM, we need to change the working mode. Short press the binding button 2 times within 1 second. We can see that the LED turns red, 1, 2, meaning the current signal output is PWM. Blue stands for PWM and S.BUS output. We can switch again to take a look. Quickly press 2 times. And this receiver is compatible with Radiolink transmitter 89S, 89S Pro, and 8010. When using this receiver, if the firmware of your transmitter is the latest, we also need to enter the system manual to check the channel quantity at channel select and change it as 10 channels because it is the 10 channel receiver. This step is very important and can be skipped.